So here I am, and I am flying out to Stillhouse Lake in manual mode. And I was feeling really confident about my skills. I've been flying for about a week in speed mode with a DJI FPV drone. So here's where I switch it to manual mode, and like the title says, yes, I did crash, and really bad. I mean, keep this in mind. A week owning the drone, I literally broke the frame. So good training for us. We are going to 3D print the frame and replace it. But yes, I thought I was an ace until this happened. Yeah, bad, bro, bad. It hit the ground, and watch the damage.
Yeah. Oh, this is the second time that I come out. This is only, what, 3 hours later, 4 hours later, after I started searching. I have finally found it. And it's not pretty. It's not pretty, guys. It's not pretty. Wow. Propeller right there. Poor little guy. Okay.
So as you can see, the damage is horrible. Broke the frame. Interesting to see that the frame is empty on the inside, so we'll incorporate that into our design. As you can see, damage was horrible. You can see now the video of when I crashed, and then when I tried to use turtle mode to be able to flip it and bring it back home. Of course, I did not know that I had a broken propeller and arm, but the drone was trying. Anyway, guys, thank you for watching. I appreciate it, and I will be improving the software that we use to make the videos shortly, and also getting some music and stuff like that. So please subscribe to the channel. I promise you I will give you good content. Thank you.